I will discuss for you now how to do a research on the part that belong to math section. At the beginning, we have different topics. You will choose one of them and write on it your research. At the beginning, don't forget, when you decide to choose one of them, it means you will write in all your subject, Arabic, math, English, science, social, in the same topic. Let's start. The first topic is tourism. I give you the headline that will help you to write your research in the math section. Imagine that the tourists visit place, and if the number of tourists arriving at this place is constant, say 1000 tourists or 2000 or 500, any number. This number is constant during 3 consecutive weeks. The same number of tourists visit this place for 3 consecutive weeks. He asked me to count the number of tourists. It's very easy. You will make addition, or you can use multiplication operation. Take one of this number 1000 and multiply it by 3, or take this number 1000 and adding this three times. Okay, this is about the headline of tourism. We can make search on the internet by Google for the number of tourists who visited some place and multiply it by 3, or adding the number 3 times. Okay, from this picture we observe that the number of tourists that I can calculate it on 1 week who visited some place on this week. The second topic is the energy. The headline that can help you in energy, he asked you to make a design for a poster to invite your classmate to set up a project in the Egyptian desert based on one of the energy source. You can make a poster on the shape of a square and draw on it some energy source, or you can use a rectangle shape, any poster to invite your classmate to this project. This is all about the energy. Okay, the third topic is the health. He asked you to calculate the number of days that will finish consuming cough syrup 3 times a day. Cough syrup, I give you a picture for any cough syrup, and we will assume that this bottle is 100 milliliter. For example, not accurate answer, you can use it 120 milliliter or any other number. Okay, and you will assume that you take 3 times on this day. Every time maybe 3 milliliter, maybe 5 milliliter. Okay, and you will calculate the daily consumption. If you take 3 milliliter in one time, 3 times 3, it will be 9 milliliter in one day. I will make a division, 100 milliliter divided 9, to calculate the number of days that the syrup will finish. Okay, this is about the third topic. The fourth one and the last one is the water. Okay, he asked you to calculate the total capacity for your family's daily consumption of juice in a cubic milli. You will ask your family, or you calculate the number of bottles that you consume, you and your family, daily. Maybe 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter. You will calculate it daily in milliliter. Okay, then he wanted to tell you that you will calculate also per month, but in liter. And don't remember that liter equal 1000 milliliter. You will make a calculation for this. Calculate the daily consumption by milliliter, then the monthly consumption by liter. And don't forget at the end of your research to write the source of your information. Maybe student book or YouTube or Wikipedia or any other source. I hope you understand the topic of math section, and God bless you.